News just coming in. Islamic Research Foundation, headed by Zakir Naik, has moved Delhi High Court against immediate ban by the centre. This is a fallout of Islamic preacher, televangelist, many calling him a terror evangelist as well, where his NGO was banned. He's moved now to the court, taking a legal route against the move by the centre. Now, he's been accused of flouting the FCRA norms as well as the Islamic Research Foundation, which has decided to challenge the validity of the ban that's been imposed by the centre. The centre decided to ban the Islamic Research Foundation, citing FCRA regulation and how the money is routed to the organisation. This ban now has been challenged by the Islam Foundation. Was banned when centre invoked the Unlawful Prevention Act and this is UAPA. The government claimed the foundation was luring youth to join ISIS. They also said that youth was being radicalized. Many were in queue for joining ISIS, and this organization has been perpetrating a hate agenda. The centre was also responding to IRF's challenge to the government's notification and immediate ban earlier as well. Now, centre has refuted the allegation of any conspiracy or a witch hunt against this organisation, but one needs to see now how the battle plays out in the legal domain. Zakir Naik's NGO has been banned for unlawful activities as well. Now, it is interesting because Zakir Naik, when spoke to India today, earlier exclusively had claimed that he had not perpetrated hate speech. He had not instigated youth. Zakir Naik said that I am a preacher and I am not indulging or radicalizing youth. But his Islamic Research Foundation that came under the radar after there were links drawn to the Dhaka attack and the youth that were involved there, that how they've been influenced by IRF. It came under scanner. There has been a demand to ban this organization, to ban his controversial television channel as well from various quarters. The centre taking a tough step as well. And now Zakir Naik NGOs is set to approach the court in this matter. Getting you details as it's a developing story with the Zakir Naik's NGO moving the High Court first. Now, earlier as well, there have been many counterclaims and claims in the court as well, where this entire battle has played out. Centre has repeatedly said that it was banned because there was an urgent situation. It was indulging in unlawful activities. My colleague Mustafa joining us on the story. Mustafa, give us more details of what is this petition containing, which has been filed by Zakir Naik's NGO.
Yes, at this point of time, Advocate Mubin Solkar, who had approached the tribunal in New Delhi, which has been set up in the Delhi High Court, they have repeatedly repeated the same thing, which has also been there in the petition, which is that Dr. Zakir Naik or IRF as such has not been involved in any of the hate speeches or influencing the Dhaka youth who had carried out the terror attack. They had also said that Islamic schools which are functioning do not preach any hatred as such, because there's a huge controversy about shutting down the schools also. The second important point remains is of the financial transaction which has been going on since last 15 years. It has been alleged that Dr. Zakir Naik used to get foreign funds which was used in in propagating this kind of teachings and which were also laundered abroad.
Okay, thanks Mustafa for joining us. We'll come back to you. Some more news coming in at this point.